Home is the most important asset an individual can invest in and wishes to own. But, being a homeowner doesn't come easily. To get your hard work paid off, your home should have regular maintenance, especially the roof, to be able to withstand any weather disaster. That is why Rancho Cordova Roofing Construction giving you the 5 factors to consider when hiring a roofing contractor. Factors to consider when hiring a roofing construction. 1. Choose a local contractor. When choosing a contractor to handle your roof project, it is good to ensure that they are from the same area as you are, due to various reasons. 1. The local contractor has already a good reputation in your area, and it is easy for you to contact them if something needed to be fixed once they completed the project, because you know where and how to find them. And second, they have the idea of the local weather condition because they servicing the same area. 2. Cheap can become more expensive. Cheap is not always a good choice. Hiring a cheap contractor who will mismanage and will save good material in your roof project will cause lots of problems. If you choose to hire a cheap contractor, you'll end up spending more cash as soon as issues occur after finishing the project, compared to hiring a reputable contractor. 3. Write down all agreements. A reputable contractor who is focused on delivering quality services will always prefer to have a contracting rule laid down before starting the projects. The agreement should be specific and detailed about what you expect the contractor to deliver. 4. Communication is vital. The lack of communication between both parties can lead to the failure of the project. That is why you need to ensure that there is enough communication between you and the contractor. The best contractor is the one who will follow up and keep you updated on what's happening to the project. 5. Hire a contractor who offers a warranty. One thing about a reputable contractor is they always confident about what they do, and they want you to know that they're good at their profession. The best roofing contractor will offer and provide a warranty for a considerable period. Any errors arise during the scope of the warranty, he will return to your place, inspect, and decide the best way to deal with existing errors. These are 5 factors homeowners need to consider when hiring a roofing contractor. Our team at Rancho Cordova Roofing Construction is known for the good quality services we offer.